Yo, what up? I'm just out here getting a warm-up going, out on my morning walk slash run slash record this video. I'm about to go home and start working on the big boy, my kitty painting, and then after that, head in and blast a couple tattoos. How yous doing? Check it out. Yo, so I finished up the first fundamental layer of the whole painting, the shadows. I use a little bit of that deep crimson, some olive green, and a Payne's gray to start blocking in the major shapes of the big boy. He's actually somewhere roaming around, actually not interrupting the video, so thank you, big boy, for that. Alright, stay tuned for the rest of the painting. part of the process, I'll be using 2 angle brushes and 1 2-inch brush. So the first angle brush, I'm going to be working on that background, and this one I'm going to be working on the kitty bean in the foreground. Yes, I said kitty bean in the foreground. So the purpose of this 2-inch brush is to pick up any excess paint or solvent that's laying on the canvas, and to give like a nice detailed blend, like an overall finish for the project. Hey, thanks for checking out the video. Hopefully you enjoyed what you saw. If you did, make sure to leave me a like, comment, and a subscribe. Tell your friends about it, and feel free to write me an email or an Instagram DM. I'm always looking for new inspiration, and the best place I draw inspiration is from my clients, so hit me up. Let's do a tattoo. Yeah.